1 toy. Look at me. 2 toy. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Ready? Catch. 3 toy. Back, 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 back. 4 toy. You getting tired? Come on, last one. 5. Here, come here. Look at me. Here's 5. Catch, catch. 5. Good girl. Good girl. As you can see, this set comes with 5 little squeaky toys, and she loves them. And the cool thing is the price of just 2 of these at the store, at the big box store, is going to be the cost of all 5 of them. So why would you buy toys at the big box store that they're just going to break in about a minute or 2? But these actually last pretty good. If you're interested in a set of 5 toys for your dog, your destructive dog, I would check these out before they go off sale.